Are you looking for a luxury townhome community conveniently located right next to the medical center? Well, we have exactly that. Today, we are in the enclave of Rustic Oaks, checking out this gorgeous model home behind me. But before we get inside, if you're new to the channel, my name is Quentin Starks, and I'm gonna be your realtor for the next few minutes. And if you can do me a huge favor, go down below, drop a like on this video. It truly does help support the channel. Alongside that, if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the Central Texas real estate market, we encourage you to subscribe. But without further ado, let's go on inside of this gorgeous home. Okay, guys, so as we approach this property, you can see it is certainly going to be that townhome style. You don't have a huge driveway, but you do have a two-car garage. They traditionally don't allow street parking. Obviously, since they're still building in this neighborhood, they are making an exception, but it is going to be very intimate, right? Right now, they probably have 10 or 12 built. They are currently building another, 8 or so more to finish out the rest of the year. But focusing on this particular unit, you're going to see a great stucco exterior. They have some of that nice natural stone here on the left, and then they have some stained wood slats going throughout the property as well. They also do have this awesome front balcony that is really nice. And this one's going to be towards the front of the gated entrance, so it is control access. You also do have a little amenity center over there. Has a little pool, some toiletries, as well as a little dining or sitting picnic area. So really nice that they do have that for this neighborhood as well. But as we enter the property, or you at least get to the door for the entrance of the property, we have a little covered space right here. Not really a full covered front porch or anything, but nonetheless, it is covered. You're greeted by this really nice 8-foot door. They stay in the door with the same color as the exterior wood, which is awesome. And then as soon as we enter, we have a little foyer. They elected to put a, kind of table there for keys, and right across is going to be the office. So nothing kind of crazy going on with this office, right? They did elect to put some engineered hardwood is what it looks like. And it's not going to be a huge office, right? You can see not a big space. It's probably an 8x8, 9x9, something like that. But I do like the 8-foot glass paned French doors that they use. They have a nice little, design to them. And the finishes or the hardware they use throughout this whole home, you're going to see is really nice. So pretty big fan of this property. We saw a townhome not too long ago that was in a similar price point, and which we'll talk about here in a second, that honestly didn't have as nice of finishes in my opinion, as well as the space in here is huge. This is 2855 square feet. Upstairs, up these nice stairs, these gorgeous stairs, are going to be 4 bedrooms. You're going to have a half bath down and then additional 2 bathrooms upstairs. You have 2 balconies, a back patio, and just a ton of really nice upgrades. So we're going to enter right here into the great room. On the left is going to be the kind of centerpiece of the living space. It's a gas fireplace with that awesome wood shiplap going up. But they have kind of a small section in here. You could definitely fit a little bit larger of a piece of furniture or multiple pieces of furniture. Nonetheless, it is a pretty good sized space for a nice little living area. And right across is going to be the kitchen. So really good sized island. This is probably going to be about 9 or so feet wide. You definitely have enough room for 3 stools, as you can see. This really gorgeous countertop that I am digging. And you guys know me, I love when they put these drawers in there. Unfortunately, they did put the doors as well, but nonetheless, you do have some drawer space with the built-in appliances. You are going to have gas here, and I do love how they matched the countertop with the backsplash. Really nice touch there. Under cabinet lightings, and the cabinets go all the way up. 2 glass panes right there, allowing you to display some pieces of art and or as they have it, dishware. Some more of those awesome drawers here. I love when you have these multi-purpose sinks. You can use it for a cutting board. You can have it a strainer on that right, as well as to dry off dishes. You will get a dishwasher here, and then on the right is going to be the built-in microwave and oven. So really nice kitchen that goes right into this quaint dining space. Ginormous fixed window in the back, but they have a 4-seater table here that's honestly quite perfect. Maybe a square or possibly even a 6-seater could fit here, but I love the 4-seater. It does not overpower the space at all. That gorgeous shiplap one more time over there on the back wall. And then we will go to these huge sliders. So it might look a little dark in here. I'll be honest, it kind of is. Even though they have all these huge windows, we're in an area that's very established, if you will. So they're gonna have all of these really, really big trees. So that's what's gonna be giving you a lot of shade inside, but it also gives you a lot of shade out here if you wanted to have a party, have a get together, whatever the case may be. On this one, they elected to do this kind of a extension deck from the already great size covered patio. But I do love the trees giving you all this natural shade without having to build an additional pergola if you did not want to. So really good size of a backyard for a townhome. Typically when you're buying a townhome, you don't typically want that huge of a lot anyways. You want that low maintenance, and they definitely did that here in this property. As we go across the kitchen, we'll then get into this nice little pantry. I shouldn't say little, it's definitely oversized, which is nice. And then here on the right, it's typically these townhomes don't have that much storage, but they definitely made sure to add additional storage under the stairs there. True 2-car garage that is epoxied, which is awesome. And then here's going to be your half bath. Nice floating vanity, huge mirror, got a fixed window up there, and then obviously the toilet is going to be here on my right. Another really nice size 8-foot door with the paneling. And then to my left over here is going to be one of 2 HVAC units. So one for downstairs, one for upstairs. And then we just passed that thermostat right there going back into the great room. So let's actually take one more look of this area, give you a good feel of it. Again, living on the left, kitchen over there on the right, with the dining space in the back, and then the sliders to go out back. So really nice first floor. And then as we go up these gorgeous stairs, let's talk a little bit about the builder. So this is their model. Again, 2,855 square feet. They do have smaller plans that start closer to 600,000. And this one is actually going to be 635,000. So for the space and the location, it's honestly a pretty good price. Nonetheless, upstairs you're greeted with 2 linen closets. So that's one. And then 2 right here, back to back. And then as we go over here to the right, this is going to be the primary suite. So really good size suite, right? Huge table, huge bed, inside tables on either side. And then you still have space for a huge TV, dresser like they have. And you could also put kind of a sitting area, not necessarily just right here, but over there if you wanted to. But I do like how they have it configured now. Very, very big room. And it's right off of your very own balcony. So this particular lot does look into someone's backyard. Some of the other ones do not, but nonetheless, really good size, little patio to have some coffee, maybe read a book, or if you wanted to get some work done outside, this could be a nice space for it. And you do have a nice little look into your backyard. And then they do have that shiplap here up top again. I do like that detail. This house is very consistent all the way throughout, but it's a good consistent. It's not redundant. It's just really good finishes throughout. So we then go into the primary bathroom. So you have that kind of floating aesthetic going on again with the his and hers vanity. Ginormous, not window, but mirror. Love this shower. So you have the bench inside with that nice small piece of tile. And then you do have a window in here with not a full rainfall, but a rainfall-esque shower with the wand as well. Behind here, it almost looks like a mud bench, but it's a nice little sitting area. I love that you have the opportunity to sit down, you know, and also hang your towels in your primary bathroom, just in case you gotta put shoes on or something like that. Kind of do like that idea. And then here on the left is the water closet to the traditional closet. So don't know about you, whenever you have a closet in your primary closet, I'm sorry, a closet, a island in your primary closet, kind of screams luxury to me, right? But nonetheless, a really good size room and space with a bunch of cabinets for accessories. So that is the primary bedroom. We will then walk out to the last portion of the home. So here are the stairs again on the left. Love that wrought iron. We do have a bit of a sitting area up here if you wanted to. Nice size space. And then we will have the remaining bedrooms and bathrooms. So 2 bedrooms here. One is going to be here on the left. Good size space. Plenty of room for furniture for a guest or a kid. Good size closet as well. Nice walk-in. Really nice. And then you have another patio here that looks out to the front so you can see who's coming to the property. But with this space, it does also go to the secondary bedroom upstairs, although they are using it as a, you know, bike room, or if you will, a kind of gym area. This is a bedroom. And then this is going to be the closet space for this bedroom. Going out, you will see the second thermostat for the property for the second floor. And then you do have the washer and dryer upstairs, which is awesome. Love when that's on the same level as the primary. You have a single vanity in the second bathroom, but I love how they have it closed off over here. The sink's by itself, and then the toilet and shower are gonna also be by themselves. So similar shower in here, no tub in the property, which I know some people truly do want and or need a tub. And then you're gonna have the last bedroom here. Love that stuffed animal. He's just kind of hanging out. Look at him. And then you do have a similar size closet over here. It's actually a pass through. So cool little touch there. And then straight ahead is going to be that last HVAC closet for the second story. Okay, guys, so that's going to conclude the tour of this gorgeous home behind me. Like always, go down below. Let us know what you liked, what you didn't like, and what your favorite feature about this property was. Alongside that, if there's any other neighborhoods, builders, or properties that you would like for us to tour, again, go to the comment section and let us know. But if you want to see a property similar to this one, click here. And again, if you don't want to miss out on anything when it comes to the Central Texas real estate market, you can always just subscribe.